Hey friends, if you wish to fix file upload problems in Google Drive, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to check the free space in Google Drive. Now, how would you do that? So let us open Google Drive here. Okay. And I'll show you in a better one. So here's how where you check the free drive. 9.25 GB or 15 GB is used, and if you do not have sufficient space, then you will have to buy more. So, or you will have to delete other files to make space. Then check the internet speed, because when you upload it to Google Drive, then the upload speed should be good enough. Search for fast.com in the Windows search bar, in the browser search bar, and check the internet speed. Is it good enough? Because uploading needs really good speed, 30 Mbps or 40 Mbps or something like that. And lastly, perform a disk cleanup on your system, because that can also be an issue if there are some stuck up, or what do we say, temporary files and all. So this will also clear the browser cache and cookies. This will be very helpful. Search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK. Check all of these boxes here, each and every one of them. Click on OK and then click on delete files, and it will start deleting all the files. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.